This is 3606 and 3609 and 3603, 39th Ave West. Here, Magnolia. The date is June 2nd, 2022. I'm making this recording from the clean out here on the south side of 3603. There's a clean out down on this side. What we're looking at is where 3609 sewer connects to the shared sewer line. So, there's that shared. This is where it becomes shared with 3609. Back from here is 3603. So coming back around 3603's line here, there's a couple of feet of 6-inch pipe, and then we come back up into the 4-inch diameter pipe. That is the personal line for 3603, and then we come right back into the liner. So that's where that Bob Oates liner ended. Just wanted to get a look at that section there, and now we're back in that Bob Oates liner. I'm going to end the video. We don't really need to see all this. We've seen it on a couple of videos now. I'm just ending that there.